Well, it's Thursday, the 24th, and we've been working on the little one. We've got it with our magic elixir all over it and in it, and all of a sudden everything's starting to move. This thing hasn't probably been moved for 80 years. We've got everything kind of moving. We've got everything worked out now on the blocks so we can take them off without banging and hitting and doing anything. You see all that nice shiny stuff? Well, that's half acetone and half oils, thin oils of some kind or other. Anyhow, we've got a lot of the auxiliaries off. We're going for the rest of it. The wheels are all off, been glass beaded and set up, and Otter's got a bunch of stuff off of that. Anyhow, it's all coming together right now. Plus, been doing a lot on the beast. And there it is in all its magnificence. I want you to take a quick look at it. We're getting a lot of things done here. Look at the floorboards going in, all special, everything's very special on this. It's all coming up, all reinforced and everything else. Isn't that getting beautiful? It's all coming together. I talked to John, he's our wood guy, and we will have some photos and video of that in the next few days with the boat tail. I think you're going to be pleasantly surprised. It's really going to be unique. So anyway, just to show you some of the things, I want to show you one thing that I'm very happy with. The instrumentation, as you know, is one of my favorite things. Look at this. This is from a 1919 boat. I don't know what kind, it's probably a hacker, a triple hacker or something crazy, but these are all the little goodies that are going on it. All the beautiful things that make this exceptional and make our bills the most unique in the world. This is what makes us what we are.